Introduce features highlight or overview summary about MEPTY space heater for large room. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include. And efficient heating. If you are looking for a fast heating heater for living room/bedroom/office, this powerful ceramic space heater will bring you instant and widespread warmth. MEPTY ceramic space heater comes 1500 watt PTC heating panel and 70 degrees oscillating system, delivering hot air around the bedroom/living room/office quickly, pushing air farther away evenly. It's more energy efficient than other electric space heaters, ideal for large room. And gentle adopts soothing quiet motor and oblique airflow technology, the noise level as low as 40 decibels level, quiet like a library. Equipped with display turns off automatically and 1 to 12 hour timer, MEPTY space heater brings lasting comfort and warmth to your sleep on winter night. It's time to bring the comfortable portable space heater to your home. And reliable MEPTY electric heater made of V0 flame retardant materials. Built-in multiple safety features including smart tip-over protection, overheating protection, 24-hour automatic power off without interaction. Otherwise, the space heater have been certified by ETL, accompanying you with a safer and warmer winter. To use equipped with remote control and LED touch panel, you no longer need to get up frequently from the cozy sofa to adjust it. Temperature adjustment interval of 1 degree Fahrenheit ensures that you can adjust the temperature to suit your needs. 70-degree wide oscillation left and right swing, hot air dispersion more evenly and warming the whole room. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.